Good morning, yung paninda kong ilupugo, inalaga ko na. Yung mani, inalamig ko na, inaanda ko na rin, Shout out Marvin Bauson, Janet Bauson, Angel Sweet, shout out. Kuya James Vlog, shout out. Carlo Anjo Navarro, tagtak mo, shout out. Biane Jordan Franco, Kuya James Vlog, shout out. Mani, pinalamig ko na lang para mailagay na sa supot, Melvin Gorin, shout out. Barkada Nancy Bunal, shout out. Zumba Girls Karasyaw, shout out. Yung tumatabong konsilor, yung kababayan natin si JC Monyo, shout out. Kagawad konsilor manaya. Kasi Doktora Madonna Salina, shout out. Matabong konsilor yun, at saka si Mel Sapira, shout out. Konsilor Zumba Girls Karasyaw, shout out sa inyo lahat mga Zumba Girls. Boss Nancy Bunal, Angel Sweet, ulitin ko, Jocelyn Sanchez, shout out. Evelyn Sanchez, Bella Kobe, shout out. Puto Karasyaw, Samuel Padilla, Dicano Family, Giancarlo Quinto, MG Quinto, shout out. Sapitan, ang sa Managwata si Goldemar, Sapitan, shout out mo. Dan si Eddie Quinton Junior, shout out. Mang Frederick Ramirez Diaz, dan si Joan, shout out. Boss Eric, shout out. Dan si Boy Bote, shout out. Jong Oson, shout out. Paul Soy, shout out. Melvin Gorin, Barkada, shout out. Dada and Jojo, ada managlakoy trabaho di Manulukaw, San Gayaman North, shout out. Gayaman Petron, shout out. Sentrum Nagilayan, shout out. Lukaw Purok 4, pistay lang mo, Lukaw Purok 4, karumal lang mo. See you na, yung mga parinda ko, ayos na.